Hey guys, Mike, and I'm going to tell you something. If you've never serviced your water heater, electric water heater or gas water heater, you absolutely have the ability, and it's made really easy with this thing called the turbo tank cleaner. So this is what a normal drain valve looks like. You can't service it through this because you see that tiny little check valve that doesn't allow enough space, but your water heater builds up with all this sediment. And that sediment is calcium, mixture of a bunch of stuff in the ground. But anyway, over time it destroys your water heater. Hooking up this turbo tank cleaner, you do have a little dripping, and that's okay. But using a cordless drill, look at this. What it does is it uses a huge spring, and it just breaks up all that sediment as you are draining. And of course, the first thing you want to do is cut power or gas, and then you want to turn off the water supply just to create a vacuum so you can open this up. But once you connect this baby and you turn the cold water back on, all you gotta do is just spin it until it flushes everything out. And that slurry mixture is no more. It's that easy. This thing should last at least 5 additional years when they're normally rated 8 to 10 years, and that's if no one ever services them. You guys can do it.